See that bus there? That is one of my buses. I manage a whole team of bus drivers, and I was rather excited today because I got to be the only person in the bus while it was not in service. I know there are high perks in high jobs like mine. Got to be the only person in the bus not in service coming into town today because I am going to a course. I'm going to an XL course. I'm super excited. And so anyway, this is my breakfast here, and I thought that I should eat it before I pop into a cafe to have some coffee, because, and you know what, I deliberately did not peel any of these on the bus because I've been told off for peeling boiled eggs in the office, and in the office does not smell good. And you know what, I was actually ignorant to the fact that eggs were a little bit smelly to people who weren't eating the eggs. And one day a guy in the office asked me, "Are you okay, Karen? Is everything okay?" And I'm just like, what is he asking me this for? I say, yeah, everything's fine. Why? And he just goes, "What's that smell?" And then I realized it was my eggs. So I'm like, "You're good, Aaron." No, really, you're good. Do I complain about smelling KFC in the office? If you don't know what KFC is, KFC, my friend, is fried chicken. Do I complain about fried chicken? Do I complain about other smelly stuff that people eat? No, I don't. And it's not like I'm eating tuna in the office. I wouldn't eat tuna in the office. I just keep it to the eggs. So yeah, I'm gonna have the eggs, and I'm really excited about this course. It's the first course I've done at my job that I've been at for a year, and I'm super beside myself because who doesn't want to get good at Excel? I'm pretty crap at Excel, actually. I'm like, if you send me something, I know how to open it, and I can find the thing, and I can like put my cursor in a little box, and I can type the thing, and then usually it auto saves, and I can just pitch out of there. But today I'm going to hopefully learn to get a little bit further along than that. So yeah, now I'm gonna eat the eggs with no one criticizing me about being smelly. I mean, come on.